Guys, modern LLMs are powerful, but they're only as good as the data you give them. If your document text is messy, broken, or badly extracted, even the smartest AI model can give unreliable answers. And this is a huge problem with PDFs, scans, tables, forms, receipts, and handwritten documents. Standard OCR tools often recognize the words, but lose the structure, so columns get mixed, headings disconnect from content, and tables stop making sense. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at LLM-Whisperer by Unstract, a document preprocessing and OCR tool built specifically for LLM workflows. We'll test it in the playground, try difficult document samples, and then see how it works through the API in Postman. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start from the admin console and go straight to the most visual part, the playground. This is probably the best place to understand what LLM-Whisperer actually does, because you can test real document examples without setting up code right away. Inside the playground we have different sample documents, from electronic forms and structured tables to handwritten notes, poor quality scans, and even photos of receipts taken in rough conditions. In the settings we can switch between different processing modes, depending on whether we want faster output or higher quality extraction. For clean documents, a lighter mode might be enough, but when we're working with skewed photos, handwriting, or complex layouts, quality matters much more, because even a small recognition mistake can completely change the meaning of the document later. Guys, let's start with a receipt photo taken on the go. This is the kind of file people actually upload in real life. Tilted, slightly blurry, poorly aligned, or captured under bad lighting. A standard OCR system might recognize some words, but the result often becomes disconnected and hard to use. LLM-Whisperer automatically handles the skew, corrects the alignment, and returns structured text that is much easier to verify and much easier for an LLM to understand. And that part is important, mates, because the goal here is not just to get text out of an image. The goal is to prepare the document so another AI system can actually reason over it. For example, if a receipt total, date, item name, or line value gets separated from the right context, the next model can easily misunderstand the whole thing. Now let's move to handwritten forms, because this is where the difference becomes even clearer. A lot of business documents are not perfect digital PDFs. Folks, they can be scanned forms, handwritten logs, internal reports, loan documents, or tables filled out by hand, and usually this is where standard OCR starts to lose the structure. Here, LLM-Whisperer keeps the layout visible instead of flattening everything into random text. In table-like layouts, it can preserve boundaries using ASCII-style lines. So when you send the output to GPT, Claude, or any other large language model, it can understand which value belongs to which column. And that is extremely important, because if the model can't read the structure properly, it can connect the wrong number to the wrong label or confuse two rows. That's exactly why document preprocessing matters so much in AI workflows. You're not just trying to extract text, you're trying to preserve meaning. And meaning often comes from how content is laid out, the spacing, the tables, the headings, and the way different blocks relate to each other. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's test multilingual support. In many real workflows, documents are not written in just one language. You might have English mixed with German, Chinese, Spanish, or other languages in the same file. So here we upload a multilingual document and run the extraction. The system automatically detects and processes the languages inside the document while still preserving the layout. In the output, we can see that the German text is recognized correctly, the English parts stay readable, and the structure remains intact. Mates, that's really useful if you're building document automation for international teams, financial documents, logistics paperwork, or any workflow where files can come from different regions. You don't want to manually separate documents by language before processing them. You want the pre-processing layer to handle that automatically. Now, Playground is great for testing, but the real power of LLM-Whisperer comes from the API. This is where developers can process thousands of documents without clicking through the interface every time. So let's go to the Unstract dashboard and open the API section. Here we copy our unique API key, and even on the free tier, there is enough room to test the workflow before integrating it into a bigger system. Next, folks, we can use Postman. The team provides a Postman collection, which already includes the request structure, so it's easy to test document conversion before writing your own backend code. We create a new post request, add the Unstract key header with our API key, choose form data in the body, upload the sample document as a file, and send the request. For heavier documents, LLM-Whisperer uses asynchronous processing, so instead of instantly returning the final text, the first response gives us a 202 accepted status and the whisper hash. Friends, you can think of this like an order number. The system has accepted the document, started processing it, and now we use that hash to retrieve the result once it's ready. So we copy the whisper hash, move to the request for checking the result, paste it in, and send it. After a short wait, we get the extracted output back. And again, the document is not just turned into random text, it is structured, readable, and much better prepared for LLM usage. This workflow is especially useful for AI apps built around documents like legal assistants, invoice processing systems, internal knowledge bots, loan document analyzers, compliance workflows, or research assistants. You don't want the LLM to guess its way through broken OCR output. You want it to receive clean, layout-aware text, because that gives the model a much better chance of producing accurate results. And mates, this is where the API workflow becomes really practical. You can upload documents automatically, wait for processing, retrieve structured text, and pass that result into the next step of your pipeline. So instead of manually cleaning scans one by one, you can build a repeatable system that prepares documents before they ever reach your large language model. Now, once we have this structured text, the next question is what we do with it. LLM-Whisperer is part of the broader Unstract ecosystem, an open-source, no-code document automation platform. As you can see, it's especially designed for extracting structured data from unstructured documents at scale. So LLM-Whisperer can act as the pre-processing layer, and then Unstract Prompt Studio can help you extract exactly the fields you need. For example, folks, instead of writing custom parsing logic for every document type, you can simply tell the system what you need to extract, whether it's invoice data, customer details, or specific values from a table. Prompt Studio helps configure that extraction workflow without forcing you to write everything manually. And since Unstract is open source, you can also explore the project on GitHub, check how it works, and use the community around it if you want to build more advanced document automation workflows. So the full workflow is simple. Use this tool to clean and structure messy documents, then use Unstract to extract useful fields and automate the process at scale. So guys, LLM-Whisperer solves a very practical problem, preparing messy documents before they reach your AI model. If your input is broken, your output will be unreliable. It preserves layout, tables, structure, handwriting, and multilingual text much better than standard OCR tools, which gives LLMs cleaner context and reduces extraction errors. And with the wider Unstract ecosystem, you can turn that clean document text into structured data workflows at scale. And my friends, I want to say that if you're building AI tools around document data, this is definitely worth testing. Sign up, get your API key, try the playground, and see how much cleaner your document pipeline can become. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.